In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Copilot Read Aloud feature. Let's get started. First, I open up Microsoft Copilot in my browser. Once the interface loads, I move my mouse down and click inside the message box at the bottom of the screen. Instead of typing manually, I simply speak my prompt to command the system. I ask it to teach me the basics of body language and explain what common gestures and facial expressions usually mean. Once the text is entered, I click the submit arrow to send my message. Now, we wait a moment while the Copilot searches and generates a detailed response. It organizes the information neatly into sections with helpful bullet points and emojis. Once the response is fully generated, I scroll down to the very bottom of the text block. Here, you will see a few action icons. I click on the speaker icon, which is the Read Aloud feature. When I click this, Copilot instantly begins speaking the text back to me. A small playback bar also appears below the text, showing that the audio is active. This is incredibly helpful if you prefer to listen to the information while reading along.
Is the unspoken second language of human interaction, and the basics revolve around facial expressions, gestures, posture, and eye contact. The 7 universal facial expressions, happiness, sadness, anger, fear, surprise, disgust, and contempt, are recognized across cultures, while common gestures like crossed arms or fidgeting often signal discomfort or anxiety.
After reviewing this section, I want to expand on the topic. I click back into the message box at the bottom of the screen. Using my voice command again, I simply speak the words, "More info please." I click the send arrow to submit this follow-up prompt. Copilot quickly processes this and starts generating additional details, breaking down facial expressions, eye contact, and gestures even further. When the new response is ready, I scroll to the action buttons at the bottom of this new text block. I click the Read Aloud speaker icon again to hear this expanded information.
Language is a powerful form of nonverbal communication, and understanding it can help you interpret emotions, attitudes, and intentions more accurately. The key is to look at clusters of signals, facial expressions, gestures.
If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.